loves, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will show you all how I customize and install my new Alipearl Bob wig. The density is 180 and this is what it looks like fresh out of the box. We have a lot of work to do. These are the products that I'm going to use to bleach the frontal because it did not come pre-bleached. And this is the bleaching process. Make sure you mix the bleach to a thickness so it doesn't seep in and ruin your roots. This is the hair washed out. It's a little brassy, but that's okay. I'm gonna take some neutralizing shampoo to get rid of that brassiness color. And this is how the wig looks. I've gone in and plucked the frontal a little bit. I didn't want to over pluck the frontal just in case it sheds and then I'm left with like crazy bald spots. And this is how the wig looks like. I've gone in and straightened it and styled it for install. All right, hey guys, so I'm going to install my Alipearl wig. This is a 12-inch bob and it is in the color 1B. So I've already plucked it, bleached the knots and all that good stuff. So I am going to install it now. I'm going to apply a thin layer of GOT2B glue. So now that the glue has dried down clear, I am going to secure the front part of my wig. And brush back. All right, so now that the middle part is secure, I'm gonna cut slits. This is gonna help me secure the other sides of my wig. So now I'm just gonna go in and glue down the sides of my wig, and then I will go in and cut the lace off.
Meet Archibald is epic.
Back to social oblivion.
Don't worry. Next time we take Jenny down, it'll be for good.
Some people think that when the party ends, the night is over. But I've found it's when the music stops and the lights come up that the real trouble begins.
So I'm taking this silk scarf. This is gonna help me secure the wig. This is gonna help hold that wig in place before I cut the lace. That kind of rhymed. Okay, so now I'm going to cut off the lace. I'm gonna use one of these, I think they're eyebrow razors. I like to use this because I feel like it's gonna give me a more natural hairline compared to using scissors where it's gonna be like straight across. So I'm gonna use this and cut it and do a zigzag across. And all the white spots you're seeing, I'm in a rush, so I didn't fully wait for the glue to dry down. But I'm gonna fix that in a second. Okay, so now I'm just taking a cleansing wipe, or I don't know what these are called, exfoliating pad, and I have a little bit of alcohol on it to wipe away all the dried up white spots. Then I'm gonna go in and lay the lace with some GOT2B glue. You can use this or the spray. And I'm just gonna do that so I can melt this lace into my skin. So if you have a rat tail comb, it will be easier, but mine is broken. So I'm just gonna use this, and you just apply it to the lace and pull it forward. So as you can tell, it's more melted compared to the sides. Oh, my contact. You guys, I am done with this Alipearl bob wig install. My lace is laid. I am very pleased with how it came out. So we'll just see how long this wig lasts. This is my first time ordering from Alipearl. So far, so good, but you know, you just never know. So thank you all so much for watching my channel, watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Bye y'all.